Good morning and assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. It's English period. Firstly, revise days of the week with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now revise month's name with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, what day is today? Today is Thursday. What date is today? Today is 9th. Which month is going? July. And which year is going? 2020. Okay, it's English period. Today our English topic is action words. Which topic? Action words. Which topic? Action words. Okay, I paste different picture of different action here, and you will learn with the help of these picture. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Laughing. Which action is this? Laughing. Which action is this? Running. Which action is this? Running. Which action is this? Reading. Which action is this? Reading. Which action is this? Writing. Which action is this? Writing. Okay, learn spelling with me. SITTING sitting. SITTING sitting. LAUGHING laughing. LAUGHING laughing. RUNNING running. RUNNING running. READING reading. READING reading. WRITING writing. WRITING writing. Okay, again revise. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. The boy is sitting. Which action is this? Laughing. Which action is this? Laughing. He is laughing. The boy is laughing. Which action is this? The man is running. The man is running. Which action is this? Reading. The girl is reading a book. The girl is reading a book. The girl is writing. The girl is writing with pencil. Okay, the boy is sitting on chair. The boy is laughing. The man is running on the street. The woman is reading. The girl is writing with pencil. Okay. Again revise. Which action is this? Sitting. The boy is sitting on a sofa. Which action is this? Laughing. The boy is laughing. Which action is this? Running. The man is running on the road. Which action is this? Reading. The woman is reading a book. And which action is this? Writing. A girl is writing with pencil. Okay, now I will show you some flashcards of different actions. Okay, look at there. Which action is this? Sleeping. The honeybee is sleeping. Which action is this? Sleeping. Which action is this? Sleeping. The honeybee is sleeping on bed. Okay, which action is this? Sitting. The honeybee is sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. Which action is this? Sitting. Okay, which action is this? Playing. Honeybee is playing with ball. Honeybee is playing with ball. Which action is this? Playing. And which action is this? Standing. Which action is this? Standing. Which action is this? Standing. Okay, which action is this? Drinking. Honeybee is drinking a juice. Okay, I hope you learn these action words. Okay class, I hope you all learn action words with spelling. Now I have planned very interesting activity for you. Here I paste different picture of different actions, and here I put action words. Now we paste correct action words on these pictures. Okay, which action is this? Eating. Which action is this? Eating. Okay, now we find eating here. Yes, this is eating. Now paste here. Okay, which action is this? Reading. Now we find reading here. Yes, reading. Now paste here reading. Which action is this? Crying. Now we find out crying. Yes. Now paste crying here. And which action is this? Sitting. Okay, now we find sitting. Yes, SITTING, sitting. Now paste here sitting. Which action is this? Jumping. Okay, now we paste jumping here. Which action is this? The girl is sleeping. Okay, now we paste sleeping here. And which action is this? Drinking. The girl is drinking. Okay. Where is drinking? Yes, this is drinking. Okay, which action is this? Running. The boy is running. Okay, now paste here running. Okay. Revise with me: eating, reading, crying, sitting, jumping, sleeping, drinking, and running. Okay, I hope you enjoy this activity.